Good morning, everyone. This is pre-market outlook discussion for the final day in the fullest complete week in the April. So 17th of April 2026. Yesterday's behavior clearly witnessed it was in the hunger of buying opportunity because it could not continuously inch higher, so that it just retraced, not anything else. Yes, of course, that retracement that God fades, the support anyhow holds firm. That was witnessed in the yesterday's behavior by the Nifty. So if it is continuing the same behavior, it may be a tight range of trade within 300 points. Most of the trades, if it is proved to be a one flat or a choppy trades, in case 200 to 300 points or range would be driving the throughout the day for the Nifty. So in that manner, based on yesterday's activities on the price actions, the overall outlook for the next day based on the previous day's one, it seems to be a range bound with a consolidation tightly happening with a buy on dip strategy that do with, of course, a sector specific activities. For the day, of course, it is visible that the flat opening for Nifty and Sensex is seen. After opening, the consolidation may take place between the range of 24,100 and 24,300 for the initial hours. If it is getting broken, for an instance, 24,100 is getting broken, an attempt towards 24,000 and if the 24,300 is getting broken on the higher side, means 24,400, even it may be inching 24,500 zone also. The favoritism and the risk reward and the advanced decline all favors bull only. So the bullish activities can be continued with an opportunity. It has already retraced that can be utilized to build a fresh or even an accumulation based long positions. This 24,100 and 24,300 as long as held by Nifty, it is not needed to be urged or not needed to be making any hasty trading decisions, because it will not provide you, particularly for the option players. It may be a premium melting or premium eating day until it is trading between 24,100 and 24,300, where you can concentrate on stocks instead of Nifty like index. Once the break on either side happens, where you can concentrate on the same direction oriented options as well as the same direction on the any other instruments like index stocks. So in case, as per the favoritism, advanced decline and risk reward, all these parameters we have taken for considering the trading strategy is now favoring, of course, a long or bull only. It is near to 60% of bull side the market's behavior is inclined with, and the remaining around 40% is only for bearish kind of activities. That too with an immediate support zones, multi-layered support zones that also formed already. So the 24,100 once break, 24,000 as a psychological, 23,950 as the next support for the day is also lying, where you can bravely enter into the long build-up if the supports mentioned are breached. from a positional aspect. As long as the Nifty is confirming and staying above 23,700, which is far enough to move towards 24,700, because we have been mentioning these things for many occasions, continuously, consistently mentioning about 23,700 as an interim behavior shift zone. As long as it is being held by the Nifty, chances for reaching 24,400 and 24,700 only we have been mentioning till yesterday. Since it has approached 24,400 in yesterday's trend, it is, of course, the rest of the level, a core number one behavior shift zone, that is 24,700, only left with the current leg of the market's rally that may be approached as long as it is holding this 23,700. From the sector side, one can follow which are all moving the sector. That means the markets today, including metal, mixed actions can be seen. IT, yes, for this also mixed actions. Because of the Wipro's subdued result, it may be impacting the market slightly, even the index also. And based on the internal issues with the TCS employees, that also maybe slightly impact the TCS prices to go down. Anyhow, other stocks under the IT, which are expected to give a hand to move further high. So in both ways, a balanced approaches can be seen on IT. Energy side, because of the geopolitical tensions that are getting eased and the ongoing profit booking behavior on the crude oil, which may further extend and which may cool off the tensions in the price actions, and that may benefit oil refiners, gas-oriented companies. So that may be in focus with oil and energy also one can take. Pharmaceuticals. Since the current Q4 quarterly results announcement is expected to favor pharmaceutical companies, the stock prices by every individual pharmaceutical and healthcare companies started acting positively with a cheer. So that is what daily or a day-by-day activities we can see on the pharmaceutical. Each and every stocks from this sector of pharma and healthcare is being joined in the rally and activating towards the northward. So the pharma stocks can be focused well, and the positional traders can enjoy by picking the quality and attractive stocks under this sector. Real estate, most of the real estate stocks have been attempting to move higher, but near resistance are restricting the up move. Because of that, the profit booking may happen. Anyhow, the real estate sector also having a mixed kind of view. Banking and finance, as expected yesterday, some private banks started acting, including ICICI. And today it may be, along with ICICI, one can see the Axis Bank also getting a chance for moving up. And mid-cap oriented NBFC, financial services, fintech companies are expected to give a supporting hand for the index to move higher. So that's it from sectoral analysis we can have. On the stocks front, day traders can focus on Wipro, HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC AMC, Axis Bank, Angel One, Vari Renewable Technologies, VST Industries for an enhanced trading prospects. Today's quarterly earnings calendar includes the companies like Jio Financial Services, Bajaj Consumer Care, Mastech Technologies, Hathway Cable, Aditya Birla Money. Keeping stop loss is very must. Do not forget, in all transactions, you should apply stop loss strategy. You can see some queries fallen. What is PCR? See, PCR is a put call a ratio. So, which is actually measuring the strength of which side the market's inclined with. Based on the writing behavior or writing activity on call and put side, this PCR based on the open interest calculation, that is put open interest divided by call open interest against the one ratio, how the another one is getting moving up or moving down. Based on that, the trend can be found. That is what the PCR. Anyhow, Nifty's PCR currently stands slightly favor to the call only. As explained on the advanced decline side, it is favoring a call options in terms of buying, or put writing also it can be taken as. The next query on HDFC Life Insurance CE shall we buy today? Even though the results announced in a positive way, it is better to wait for a retracement because the market is not supporting with a good movement, because it is a flat trend for the initial hours, which may be affecting the cheer up kind of things on the HDFC Life Insurance side. Even though it is getting open with the gap up, it is better to wait for a first 15 minutes at least, and then you can decide based on the first 15-minute high breakout, you can enter on the call option. Until it is getting broken on the first 15-minute high, it is better to keep quiet, and you can utilize any chance it is giving retracement or a downside. There you can think of entering the call options. So that's it from query side we can address. We can see the market outlook for the entire upcoming week and the full or a total month of April, how it would be. With our regular Saturday session, which is being conducted on the market outlook for the upcoming weeks. So that may be focused by you all by participating in our Zoom session on Saturday, tomorrow around 11:30 a.m. For the pre-market outlook discussion, we will be meeting again on Monday. Wishing everyone to have a fruitful day and happy weekend. Thank you.